Hey everybody, welcome back. Don here with Adventures This Way. This is going to be part 3 of the garage studio makeover. Look at her just sitting there. Pretty pathetic. So first thing I want to show you here is the type of things that I'm dealing with. Okay, so you got a skinny up here, but fitting up some of these small panels was such a pain. But just getting up here is sketchy. Ideally, I would put the ladder over there, but of course, I got all this stuff in the way. And I'm sick of moving things around. Okay, check this out. Last video I showed you had snow. Yeah, today it's December 2nd, and it's pouring rain out. That's another one of the reasons why I don't own a snowmobile right now. I got a second coat of mud on the walls. The ceiling is almost done. Well, right there it's not, there's nothing. But look. All this is done. Gotta burn up them scraps somehow.
I like nacho chips. You? Anyone? Anyone else?
I like coffee. I got this new Yeti tumbler thingy. This is a birthday present. That's not exactly organized, but it's better than what it was. By the way, if anybody needs any Polaris parts, I still got lots of little odds and ends. I could probably help you out. Oh yeah, something else to let you guys know. Look at this. Looky over here. Looky over here. Do you want to know what's inside it? I know what's inside it. Do you want to know what's inside it? Well, maybe we can let's take a quick peek. Oh yeah. Now the question is, what color to go with? Leave me a comment on what color or what color combination you think I should go with. So these are the kind of little things that I have to fart around with. Yeah. Some panels go really quick and other panels take forever. We're in full sketchy AF mode, but I gotta get this tricky piece on and I can go have supper. Start with reel. Okay. Oh, don't drop it in. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah. Ever do a task that after 2 minutes of started doing it, you don't want to do it anymore? That's what this job was. But there's no one else to do it except you, so you gotta push through. The ceiling is done and ready for paint. Totally stoked about that. That's a big step. This whole ceiling part of the project was a lot of work. Yeah, using the reclaimed materials in different sizes, I wouldn't recommend it. I saved some money on it, but probably took me more time. God's country. It's a warm Saturday, middle of December. Was it December 12th maybe? And I just had the heater on here. And it was on for about not even 10 minutes. I had to shut it off because it was too friggin' hot in here. I did have it warmed up to about 15 degrees. Sorry there, Blake. Don't mind the interruption. Yeah, it's still sitting around 20, maybe 19 degrees Celsius. All right, guys, check it out. Been working away here. Just trying to get some primer done on it, and yeah, it's taking forever. I'm an experienced painter, but I want to be done. I want to be done. First coat of primer is done on the ceiling. Holy cow, it's a lot more work than I thought it was gonna be. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Garage Studio Build Update. I have no idea where I left off last time. It's been a little while. Today's the day. There's gonna be some really big visual changes. Let's go through it. The walls are painted. And have a look right down here. I got this trim here. I got from a guy. I know a guy. I'm gonna leave it just weathered like that. It's gonna give you that sort of barn boardy look. And that wood's gonna go all at that top seam between the wall and the ceiling. It's gonna be nice. Those cabinets are gonna go on the wall today. Even if it kills me, I'm gonna get it done. And then we can park the missus' vehicle in here and I'll keep her happy. Keep her happy. Everything runs smooth. You know what I'm saying? Today is January 1st. Happy New Year, everyone. I did celebrate a little bit last night. A little tired today, man. A little tired. Just can't get my butt in gear. But I gotta do it. Let me show you what I've been up to. Okay, look it. It's starting to look a little more finished now. I got the cabinets up on the wall. These may not look the best, But you know what? What are you gonna do? This one here, it's been dropped twice. It's just cockeyed. Like, it's cockeyed bad, but we'll see if we can't straighten it out a little bit more later on. At this point, I don't even know where everything's gonna go. I have to like reorganize everything. Big change is we're gonna actually be having a sofa in here. It really wasn't part of the plan, but just the way things have worked out, we'll try it out. Hey, good morning everyone. I'm just on my way to work. It's cold out. It's about minus 17 degrees Celsius out there. Look at the temperature in the garage here. I normally don't want to keep it that warm in here, but I had some paint drying overnight. That's how it is. Check it out. We got the vehicles in here because it was cold and snowy the other day. So here's the best thing. I was working on this morning. I don't have enough wood for above the other garage door. Kind of funny story why I don't have enough material. I purchased that stuff when I made a big purchase of a whole bunch of things, and I guess I forgot to double the amount that I needed. Yeah. So, do I go back and buy more stuff, or I have this nice rough cut stuff that I got from a guy at work. I mean, does it have to look exactly the same? Like, who says it has to? It's just a garage, right? So just taking a look around, taking a step back and having a look at everything, it really is amazing the sense of accomplishment you feel when you put your own blood, sweat, and tears into something. You know what? If you've never done it before, I highly recommend you do it. It's totally worth it. Well, I got caught. Caught in the garage, but okay, let me explain. I'd taken a break, taking it all in, and of course my best wife ever comes along with a fresh cup of coffee and some fresh cookies that she just made, and of course I'm sitting there and I already cracked a beer. She's like, oh, I brought you something a little more healthier. I'm like, yeah, thanks. The cookies are gone. They were good. Ta-da! So, what do you think? Now, it's not 100% done, but it's pretty darn close. The mud wife and I were just talking about getting maybe a couple like plastic resin shelves, one to go there, one to go over there to hold a few things. This is the pièce de résistance. This is the Adventures This Way headquarters. Yeah. I think the Renegade likes it. Not really sure what to think. I just want to take a second to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much to everyone that watches these videos. If it wasn't for you guys out there that watched, I wouldn't have the desire or the drive to even come up with building something like this. I never would have. I never would have. I probably would have waited many years down the road and got it done, and then I would have regretted not doing it sooner. All right, we're done. I'll give you a tour. Okay, so when you come in, got a shelf up here. This shelf here may turn into helmet storage. Not sure yet. I just put a fresh coat of paint on this. So what goes here is a lot of my outdoor tools. Right here, I got some stuff. I got everything kind of tidied up out of the way. Ladder, sawhorses. I don't have a spot for that yet. That chunk of wood's not going to stay there. That's for another project inside. That was a project that was supposed to be done before Christmas, but it didn't happen. That's a disaster in there. Well, I'll give you a peek. There's a lot of stuff in there that needs to come back out to the main part of the garage. We'll get there. Oh, shoot. I guess that's going to be tomorrow's job. I need to install a thermostat. Because thermostat for the heater. This stuff's not going to be here. It's just there for now. Toolboxes, same as was before. 2 cabinets. These are the same cabinets I had, but they're in a different location. Some heaters up there. Speakers are actually hooked up. This radio was my father-in-law's. So it's pretty special to have that cranked up. Sounds great with these speakers, by the way. And of course we got a couch. It's nothing special, but it's been perfect out here. This was made by my daughter's boyfriend, made this for me. Thanks, Connor. Appreciate it. Now, here we are. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Boom! Ha ha! Look at that! Sweet! The old Moose Crossing Canada sign. I had it up here before. Can anybody tell me what that is from? Leave me a comment about that. That's something that that's one more thing that I repurposed. So we're done. I'm happy with that. There's gonna be a few things I'm gonna have to poke away at. Tomorrow I gotta go through that workshop and get rid of stuff that's not supposed to be there. And basically I gotta find a home for everything. So that's gonna wrap it up for this series on the garage studio build. While you're waiting for the next video, why don't you check out this great video here of my review of my 2021 Can-Am XMR Renegade 1000 with the Visco 4-lock. See you in the next one.